Hello, I'm CCTV production specialist Tom Lloyd, and I'm thrilled to announce the new and improved Charlotte County FL app. The app is an easy way to submit service requests or report an issue about county services or facilities using your smartphone or online at our website. To submit a request or report an issue through our website, visit www.charlottecountyfl.gov and click Contact Us on any web page. There are two ways to submit a request. You could submit anonymously or log into your account and submit. If you choose to submit anonymously, you will not be able to track the status of your request, nor will we be able to contact you. Creating an account enables you to receive updates, have staff contact you if more information is needed, and view your reported requests and nearby requests. Next, click Service Requests to locate the subject such as road and drainage or solid waste, and choose one of the topics listed. Next, use the map to identify the location of the issue by clicking on the map or entering an address. Then, type in the information about your request in the description field. You can also add photos, videos, and even audio files. If you want, you can choose to keep your request private so it's not visible to other users on the app. Clicking the privacy button does not, however, exempt your submission from disclosure under Florida Sunshine laws. When you're finished, simply click Submit. If you created an account, you'll receive an email confirming your request or report was successfully submitted and received. When county staff respond to the request or the report, you will receive an email notification. You can also download the Charlotte County FL app to your smartphone or tablet. Simply go to your device's app store and search for Charlotte County FL app. If you already have the old app, you can just delete it and download the new one and set up your account. The smartphone or tablet app has a number of additional features such as links to county's website and the social media pages, and knowledge base with answers to hundreds of questions about county services, programs, and facilities. There's also a link to CCTV, Charlotte County Television Channel, the Code Compliance page, and Charlotte County's Transit page. We encourage you to go ahead and download the app and use it. For CCTV, I'm Tom Lloyd.